package units in Brooklyn, New York City, and a Trane XB over there. You can kind of see it right over there. And here's a nice view of the entire city. Oh my God. Those ones have 4-bladed fans. Those ones have 3-bladed fans. That one over there just shut off. And those two are on right there. Those two. Yeah, and there's another one right over there. That one and that fan there just shut off. It's got 3 blades. I think the other one, which is running, has 3 blades. I can tell by the other ones. And there's 2 fans on that one right there. And the fan just came back on and it shut off again. I think that fan is short cycling. It's short cycling, and the other one just turned off. It's got 3 blades. What the heck? They're spinning at the exact same speed. But that one over there, which just shut off, is spinning a little faster. And there's one with brown. I think that one might be a carrier. And there's 2 other ones there which are running. And also there are some more over there. I think they might be carriers, not gonna lie. And there's also one more right there, main splits. And also GMC over there. Yeah, that one's running. It's got only one fan. What? All those other fans shut off, so that entire thing is off. I think they might be like over a 10-ton. They look pretty old, and ew, that roof there is pretty disgusting, not gonna lie. Ew. That needs to be cleaned immediately. And there's some more over there. That one just shut off. You can't really see it, but I can see it with my own eyes there. That thing is off. The other one next to it's on, and all these other ones are off. I think these ones might be running. They might be running, actually. I think they might be on. Yeah. I think they probably might be on. They're running. Those 2 fans just kicked on. And that one over there is spinning in the wind. That one there just shut off. Yeah, just turned off. 4-bladed, and the other one turned off. I think one of those ones over there might come back on. I think I'm going to film these again tomorrow. I'm going to film them again tomorrow. And that one came back on again. I think it might be short cycling, just like that one right there. But it shut off. It does have 4 blades. And the other one's blowing in the wind. And I think that, yeah, that thing is running right there. All the fans are on that one. I think the XB turned on. That Trane XB over there. Yeah, I think it probably turned on. That fan is still on. Those other ones are blowing in the wind. That one's spinning in the right direction. I hope one of them come on. I think one of them probably are going to come on. Those fans are starting to spin, so I think they're going to start up. I know I haven't made a video of the fans in a while, but this is a long vacation. It's 8 days. Yeah. So, that one there just turned off. Again. Shut back off. You can still see the 4 blades spinning down. I hope I catch a startup. Haven't even caught any startups yet. It's been like almost 7 minutes long, this video. Almost 7, and one hasn't even came on. Minutes one, and I think I'm gonna leave it pointing at the package units, and I'm gonna sit here and wait for one of them to come on again. I'll zoom in. Can't move the camera around. I wonder which one's gonna come back on. Most of them are shutting off, actually. Except the XB. I'll just leave it here until one kicks on. One of these fans on these air conditioners. We're just gonna have to wait and see. Yeah, I hope one does come on. Well, when they're spinning, that makes me think they'll come on. But those other ones over there are on. Okay. Yeah, they're on. I guess I'll trade that one over there, which is just spinning. I don't know what it's doing. Well, they are on a roof. So, I am never jumping there. I would never step foot on that roof. It's true. I would never actually step foot. Oh, one came on. And one just shut off. All those other ones were off, which I filmed running. I'll come back to these tomorrow. Well, I think I'll wait for another startup, actually. Oh, there goes one. I hope one of those 4-bladed ones turn on. I don't think they'll come on, maybe. And there it goes again. There goes that 3-blade one. It's just turning on and off. I don't know what's wrong with it. It's short cycling, but the other one isn't. They do a really fast spin up. Oh, there it goes again. And there it goes. Just keeps turning on and off. What's going on with that thing? What is wrong with it? It's that fan right there. I think there it goes. There's the other ones over there. Oh, that one doesn't. They do a fast spin up, these package ones. Yeah, they do a very fast spin up. There it goes again. And it's spinning down. I think it's gonna. And I'm gonna wait for it to reactivate. I think it's gonna activate it again. There it goes. What's going on with that thing? The fan just keeps turning on and off, that one there. Over and over again, Mom. That thing might need to get looked at, or it might need a new capacitor. And there goes those other ones, which I wanted to come on. There goes the other ones. And it shuts back off. I didn't expect them to come on again, but they did. Just what I wished for. Yes. And the other one, which is short cycling, just keeps turning on and off. That thing's probably going to need to be looked at, or that fan motor might need to be replaced. I don't know what's going on, but yeah. I wonder why it's just only that 4-blade one running. There goes the other one again. I've seen it like turn off, on and off like 20 times in this video. I hope it shuts off for me. And I guess not. I don't know what's going on with that thing. I've never seen those two on, but I think I might see them tomorrow. Because I'll come back to these again tomorrow, and there it goes. And it's off right now. It's probably gonna come. And then there it goes. That fan just keeps turning on for like 10 seconds. What's going on with that thing? I think that XB turned off. There goes the other one. Shut off again. Hope one of them comes on. One final time. since this video is 15 minutes long, probably gonna end it now. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll be back to these ones tomorrow. Goodbye.